Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a Christmas clean with me, and I will be taking down my Christmas decor today. So I hope today's video gives you lots of motivation. I also hope that all of you had an amazing Christmas with your family. We had a really great day. We woke up early, of course, and the kids opened up all their gifts, and this is what I'm doing now, is just cleaning up. And usually on Christmas Day, I don't worry about cleaning too much. I just get rid of all the wrapping paper, and I usually put it all in a bag, and then later on, I will use a lot of that Christmas wrapping paper to wrap up my my decor that's breakable. So I'll reuse it later, which you'll see. But I am just gonna kind of tidy up a little bit, put all the toys where they need to go, and then we basically just hung out the rest of the day, so I didn't film anymore until Sunday. And I wanted to tell you guys that Christmas morning was wonderful, but tell me why, of all the days, Christmas morning, I ended up with some type of 24-hour stomach bug. I couldn't keep anything down. It was awful. It was absolutely horrible, but luckily I woke up this morning and I feel totally fine, so I'm pretty sure it was maybe just something that I ate, but yeah, it was not good. So Christmas Day, we didn't do much. We pretty much just laid around and played with toys all day. So, of course, on Christmas, our dogs get spoiled as well. So we were just giving them their little pup cups, and I happened to be filming, so I just shared that with you guys. They were like these little yogurt ice creams that are flavored with like peanut butter or something, and y'all, they love them. So that was one of their little Christmas gifts that they got. All right, so then this was the next day. I woke up feeling much better and ready to tackle the house and get it back in order again. So I woke up actually this morning, and my husband, he let me sleep in, and then I got up and he had the Christmas tree down, all the ornaments off of it. It was crazy. I was so thankful to have the tree out of the house, but I was shocked that he did it all by himself, because that's like literally the worst part, is taking all them ornaments and the lights off the tree. But he did all of that, and then once I got up, got a coffee, I got busy working on taking the rest of the home decor down and getting the house back in order again.
I'm in love with all your lights and your colors. I'm in love with all your nights. But you've kept me far away from my focus, and to my heart I cannot lie. Stars, made of stars, up above, made to fall. Stars, counting stars, and they guide me through the dark. Lonely days left in despair, air is getting heavier, but I do my best to breathe. Dreams of green and filled with bliss. Life is so much more than this. So where do you go when nothing's like home? I'm going for the gold. Turning off the cruise control. perfect, and you're no longer on my mind. Sun, warming sun, and my life's just begun. Sun.
So now that all the Christmas decor is put away, I'm going to go ahead and start working on the floors because they were filthy. There was these little pine needles everywhere, leaves everywhere from our front yard. We did a lot of in and out yesterday because the kids got bikes and stuff, and they also got this really fun swing to put in our front tree. So they were playing on that, and just going in and out of the house, the leaves they track in really easily. So I'm going to sweep all these up and just work on cleaning the floors. Also, you'll notice that I kind of jump around when I'm cleaning a lot. So I just get distracted pretty easily, and I'm that person that's like, oh, I need to sweep the floors. I start sweeping, and then I notice the table needs to be wiped down. So then I wipe the table down. And then I notice that the kitchen needs to be cleaned. So I usually jump around quite a bit when I'm cleaning, but I try to just share it in the order that I actually clean, just so you see a more realistic clean with me. See, like, as you can see here, this is when I noticed the table was really dirty, and I was like, you know what, I should wipe this down first because I'm sure some of these crumbs are going to hit the floor, and it's kind of pointless to sweep before you wipe the table down. So I was kind of doing things all in different orders.
You had me at hello, 'cause where you go is where I go. I don't need nobody else. I got you, and you got me too.
You came right out of the blue. I wanna do what you want to.
We can leave and run away someday, someday. I've been saving you, and you save me too. Yeah, I need it, don't you need me too? 'Cause I need you.
What do you got? It's a squeaker? Oh, you're sweet. Oh, it's cute. Okay, sit. 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 Good girl. Sit. Good girl. All right, sit. 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 Zoe, sit. No, down. Sit. Sit. I'm trying.
Call me anytime, I can come and sit in you. Oh, oh. Call me anytime that you need a friend, and call me anytime when you're at a tight end. I got you, and you got me too. We can always make it through. What we do is what we do. I can take you anywhere, somewhere. We won't be scared.
You will see me flying high. I'm staring into your blue eyes. We don't need nobody else. I got you,
And you got me too. I've been saving you, and you save me too. Yeah, I need it, don't you? 'Cause I need you.
Ma'am, stop! 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 Excuse me. Excuse me. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and mop my floors using the Bissell Crosswave. So this was my birthday gift. I really wanted something that was going to make my life more convenient, and like what better gift for a mom than like something that's going to make, you know, cleaning easier. So I got this and I love it, you guys. It is wonderful if you have a lot of tile or a lot of hardwood floor. I think that it works really good. However, I don't really like the carpet option. I don't think it does anything as far as cleaning the carpets. To be honest with you, I don't know if this has ever happened to you before, but have you ever shampooed your rug and then next thing you know, it almost looks dirtier faster? That's kind of how this thing does the carpet, in my opinion. But I bought it for this reason right here, just so I could vacuum the floor and mop at the same time. Sometimes whenever I sweep, or even if I vacuum the floors, there's usually still like dog hair or dirt or something like that. And I feel like whenever I use my spin mop, it just like pushes it around, or it gets all stuck into the mop head and looks so disgusting. But something about this thing, it works so good. It comes clean really easily. You do have to make sure that you clean it out after every use though, just so that way it doesn't stink, because just like any shampooer, you want to make sure that you're, you know, cleaning it really well. And what I do is I use it throughout the day, and then at the end of the night, I usually take it outside, I dump it in the yard, and then I come in and I rinse it out really well. Overall, I have really been loving it, but I've only used it for a few weeks now, so if you want to wait a little bit longer, I will keep you guys updated on if I really do think it's worth, you know, purchasing or not. So far, if it was me and I hadn't already purchased it yet and I knew how well it was going to work, I would definitely buy it right now at this moment. I would buy it again. But like I said, I have only been using it for a few weeks, and sometimes it takes a month or two to really see how a product performs over time. There's been many products that I've purchased that I love them at first, and then over time they lose suction power. They you know, don't work as well as they worked when you first bought it. So, you know, always keep that in mind, especially when you see like anybody do a review online. Just consider how long they've used it. Alright, and then once I get all these chairs back in place, I'm going to go ahead and finish up mopping down the little hallway area, and when that is done, I am finished up with today's video. I really hope you enjoyed this quick little cleaning motivation. I know this video wasn't super long, but I was able to get all my Christmas put away, and it feels good to have the house back in just like its normal state again. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope y'all have an amazing day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, y'all.